Upgrading to a new iPhone? Let's quickly transfer your Spectrum Mobile eSIM using Apple's Quick Start. First, ensure both iPhones are updated to iOS 18 or later and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. During the new iPhone setup, select the option to transfer data from your old iPhone. When prompted, choose to transfer your Spectrum Mobile cellular plan. Your new iPhone will guide you through the process. This usually takes under 5 minutes. Quick Start wirelessly syncs your data, including your eSIM profile, activating it on your new device. Once complete, your old iPhone's eSIM will deactivate. This method is the fastest and easiest way to transfer your Spectrum Mobile service. If Quick Start isn't working, or if you prefer a manual approach, the QR code method is your next best option. First, download the Spectrum Mobile app on your old iPhone. Open the app and navigate to the eSIM transfer section, usually found under Account or Services. The app will generate a unique QR code. On your new iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, Add Cellular Plan. Scan the QR code displayed on your old iPhone. Follow the on-screen prompts to activate your eSIM on the new device. If you encounter issues, Spectrum Mobile's customer support at 1-888-573-7344 can provide assistance. Remember that transfers use encryption are one way, and your old device will lose the eSIM profile once the process is complete.